Code review process. What is code review? Code review equals checking someone's code before it is merged into the main branch. It means, one developer writes code, another developer checks it. Why? Finds bugs early, improves code quality, shares knowledge in the team. 1. Why code review is important? Code review helps to catch mistakes, improve logic, maintain coding standards, increase security, make code easier to read. Why? One person may miss errors. Team finds problems together. 2. When does code review happen? Code review happens when a pull request, PR, is created before merging into main branch. Example: feature login means PR means review means merge. Why? No unreviewed code goes to production. 3. Who does the code review? Reviewers can be senior developers, team members, project maintainers. Why? Experienced eyes find problems faster. Team learns from each other. 4. What do reviewers check? Reviewers look for logic errors, code style and formatting, security issues, performance problems, readability, best practices. Why? Ensures code is correct and clean. 5. Code review process. Steps. Process. Developer opens pull request. Reviewer reads code. Reviewer adds comments. Developer fixes issues. Developer updates PR. Reviewer approves. Code is merged. Why? Step-by-step quality control. 6. Types of review comments. Comments can be bug fixes, suggestions, questions, style improvements. Example: this variable name is unclear. This function can be optimized. Why? Improves code without blaming. 7. Updating code after review. When changes are requested, developer edits code, commits new changes, pushes to same branch. PR updates automatically. Why? No need to open new PR. Keeps all discussion in one place. 8. Approval and merge. After review, PR is approved. PR is merged into main branch. Why? Only verified code is merged. Protects project quality. 9. Automated code review. CI. Automated tools check tests, build errors, linting, formatting. Why? Machines catch technical errors. Humans focus on logic. 10. Communication in code review. Communication tools. PR comments. Inline code comments. Mentions. At username. Why? Keeps discussion near code. Avoids confusion. 11. Good code review practices. Good reviewers. Be polite. Be clear. Explain reasons. Focus on code, not person. Why? Encourages teamwork. Builds positive culture. 12. Bad code review practices. Bad practices. Being rude. Ignoring PRs. Approving without checking. Arguing emotionally. Why? Hurts team trust. Reduces quality. 13. Common beginner mistakes. Skipping code review. Merging without approval. Making huge PRs. Ignoring review comments. Taking feedback personally. Why? Breaks workflow. Reduces learning. 14. Best use cases. Use code review for team projects, company software, open source projects, college group work. Why? Keeps code reliable. Builds team skills. Real life example. Code review equals teacher checking homework. Student equals developer. Teacher equals reviewer. Correction equals comments. Final work equals merge. Why? Work is checked before final submission. In simple words, code review equals checking code. Pull request equals place for review. Comments equals feedback. Approval equals pass. Merge equals final step. Code review equals quality control. No review equals risky. With review equals safe.